Buyers are regaining some negotiating power in today's housing market. So I want to give you a quick recap of some of the things that you can negotiate during a home sale. The first one we all think of is price. This one's pretty straightforward. Another really common one is repairs. After the inspection, buyers can ask the seller to tackle a repair or give them a credit to do it themselves. But did you know a buyer can also ask for fixtures or appliances, help with closing costs, a home warranty, or a specific closing date? If you're buying a home, it's worth knowing what you can ask for so you feel empowered going into your purchase. And if you're selling one, you need to know what may come up so you can think about what you're willing to discuss. And if you're stressed about the negotiation side of things, lean on me and my team. We've done this for more times than we can count. We're happy to help you with over 15 years of experience just on my side, plus a whole team of seasoned agents. Reach out, we'd love to help you.